sitting outside. I think that hopefully the birds will get accustomed to me so I can just sit outside and watch the birds. Here they come. I think basically they, if one comes in and they think, oh well, there's nothing happening, so the others start coming in too. There's one right over here by the, there he goes. So I guess they're comfortable enough with me being here. I've got a really nice camera. I still haven't used that much. There they go. They'll come back. Oh, there's one that stayed right there on top of that yucca flower. So they'll start coming back, you know, and one or two of them will land, and then, oh, that's cool. They'll all come back. There's one right there on the porch. These little birds, sometimes they're on the ground looking for stuff. And those are a little bit bigger birds, the one that just flew up there on the bird bath. There's a bunch of birds over there on the fence. I guess they're just hanging out waiting for me to leave or something. I don't know. So I think I'll just stay out here for a while and see if they can, because there's some birds over there. There's at least 3 birds. There we go, there's another one. So they should be coming back. I'd like them to get accustomed to me so I can come out and see them from here. I think they're the ones that are over there sitting on the fence that are the ones that stressed out. These other birds are coming in from a totally different direction, so they don't see me. It's nice to be out here because I can hear them. birds over there sitting on the fence are those little bluebirds. So maybe it's a different species. Maybe these are the daredevil birds. Oh, there's a little blue one that popped up over there. There he is. Yeah, some blue ones. I guess I could take the camera and stick it out there and just cover it up and just, you know, edit the videos. But I hate editing. It's such a hassle. Well, I guess it's not really that much of a hassle, but it's not. There's nothing fun about it. Well, I suppose it would be fun if I got involved with it more. There's really not a lot of reason to do videos anyway. Now I freaked out and all took off. Tell you what, I don't know what I'm going to do actually. Those are all pieces, all of those pieces right there. They're all pieces from this collection I was working on. This is number 115. This is number 100. I can't read it. It's got this. Oh, look at this. What is this? I tell you what, I make stuff and 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 I make stuff. And nothing ever happens with it. You know, it's silly. Look at this. This is number 154. This is a print that I did many years ago. It's a collage. It's a... what are you going to do? Wouldn't really wish this on anyone. That's a beautiful little painting done by a friend of mine. He did a portrait of my family. Can't hardly see that. It's Joseph Albers. That's a Joseph Albers print.